Welcome to another epic adventure at Weaverstone House Farms. It's always fun in the snow here. First I wanted to say big thank you to my father-in-law and mother-in-law. They took a drive down the road from where they're at and picked me up a decent deal. A chain, that's why it was a good deal. It was only a single chain, but it actually fit my tractor tire perfectly. Okay, so we are going to put our new chain on our 13.6 by 28 inch tire on our International 444. So I have it all laid out. I only got one chain, that's all the guy had, and you know what, I'm thankful. It was 50 bucks. So we're going to roll with it. What I'm going to do is back up onto it. Try and get it in the middle. That's what you're shooting for, at least. The other way that I could jack up on a tractor. All right. Now see how I got a lot of gap there? Yeah. I don't think I'm gonna be able to. Okay, got the hook. I don't think these will fit. I thought these would be way too big. I mean, they are kind of big. But... Okay, so traditional, it's like, I call it an S hook, there's a name for it. But you slide the keeper back and you slide this. Can you see that?
Yep.
Real good. Come on, right there. And it catches. Now, I don't trust it to just that. I had one fly off my truck one time when I was using it and tore my fender all up, or the quarter panel, it still tore up. So I wire these shut now with some metal wire. Here's what I do. I take, I have some rolls of fence and wire laying around. I like to wrap at least 2 times, maybe 3, and then I put it out to the side. I mean, if you're so inclined, you could push it down tight if you wanted to, but I wrap them so they stay put and they don't come off. Bulldog 36-inch farm jack. Let's pull it in and see, and then it catches, which allows you to go up and down with it. It's a ratchet. It's slow, but it works. And you need to be on flat ground. So this is the beauty of this. There it is. So now I go here. I always warn my daughters, be careful, these handles will slip. Okay. And then you'll see the click on the jack on the other side. And it takes all that you got. Jeez, push down. There he is. Good. All right, at least there's some movement.
Okay.
Yep. I just need a little bit. What I'm going to try and do here, I'm going to try and walk these chains up. One at a time to gain some distance. does it fit like the glove like this? Holy cow, these are perfect. Wow. These are absolutely perfect. Can you see that?
Not really, but kinda.
There it is. It caught.
Good.
Sweet. That's amazing. Okay. So the chain is on. It's absolutely amazing.
I was like trying hard. But they need a little longer than what they need to be, but it was good.
I'm not gonna let the jack down yet. So just try not to lose our teeth. Our face. You know what? I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna do it differently. We're gonna hit the thing. Okay, so we're down one, so we have to jack it down. So you actually have to lift to take the tension off. And then when you lift up, it's probably gonna go 100 miles an hour.
Not yet?
There it is. It caught. Went down. Next one, it usually falls. What it looks like after it's all together. That was our $50 chain. Our 13.6 by 28 inch tire. Growing up out here in the country, we as students, even me as young as, I think it was 5th grade, maybe 4th, we would get out and put chains on the bus whenever the school bus would get stuck. So we would get out and chain the bus actually up, put chains on it. All the boys would. And then we'd get going up the road where we need to and get back out. There were some lanes and some roads that were really pretty rough. And then we would unchain, throw the chains in the back of the bus and keep going. So I don't know if anybody's doing that today. If you are, let me know. Yay! All right, see you next time on the farm.